As the days grow shorter and the shadows grow longer, the energy of summer withdraws into autumn. This is the season for reflection and refinement. Trees shed their canopies in preparation for winter, just as we too learn to let go of what is no longer needed. Through greater awareness of our inner and outer worlds, we can find clarity and purpose in what matters most. Encouraging us to simply pay attention and listen. With the turning of the seasons, Mother Nature teaches us there's beauty to be found in change.